Welcome guys, I am Subha. In this video I am going to share with you how you can add multiple outlines or strokes to your text, creating a very beautiful looking titles for your KDP low content and no content books. These are especially helpful for creating children books, including coloring books and activity books. And the good thing is you can always change the font after adding these strokes and outlines. This is very simple trick to add these very quickly inside Affinity Designer. You can also use this in other design software in like Photopea or Photoshop. I am using Affinity Designer at the moment. First of all, you need to add a text here. Just go to text box, drag a text, and here you can write book. So increase the size like this. This is our layer here. You can go to this layer effects, then go to outline, select this outline and add an outline like this. This is our first outline. Then close this. Now simply Ctrl+G from your keyboard to group this. Now we have added a group. You can again go back to the layer effect and add an outline to this group. Now select the outline, change the color to something like yellowish. You can always go back and change the colors. Start increasing the radius here. You can go back and Ctrl+G to group this again. Add another layer effect to this one and add an outline. This time you can add something like red. Let me add bluish. Okay, this looks fine. Again, you can go back and add another Ctrl+G to group, add another layer here. Outline. This time add a greenish one, and this time I'm going to add blackish, not greenish. If you want to go back and change the colors, just click on this little arrow and then again this little arrow, again and here. Click on and change the text and click on the very first one and to change the color of outline. So it has changed the color here. I have added the first group outline color. You can also change the second group outline color. Just click on this little FX, reddish, pinkish, any color you want to pick. You can go back and cascade them and start clicking on this FX and start changing the color. Also you can increase and decrease the outline size like this one. So in this way you can quickly add really cool effects to your titles of your coloring books, your activity books and other similar books. This is very quick tip from me. Also check out my next video. It is really important for creating high quality books on Amazon KDP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.